The importance of time. Hello, welcome back to Daily English Activities channel. Have you ever thought, what if every second you spend today is gone forever? Time is the most powerful thing in your life, invisible, priceless, and unstoppable. Once it passes, you can never get it back. Many people waste it thinking, the best time to start is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment, create it by taking action today. Every second counts, every minute matters, and your future depends on it.
Many people think they have endless time. They say, I will start tomorrow, or I will do it later. But tomorrow is not guaranteed. Every moment you waste is an opportunity lost. Time is like a river. It keeps flowing, never stopping for anyone. Those who respect time use it wisely. They plan, work hard, and focus on what truly matters. Even small steps, taken consistently, lead to great results. Every day is a chance to learn, grow, and improve. Time teaches patience, discipline, and persistence. It rewards those who act now and punishes those who procrastinate. Think of a seed planted in a garden. If watered at the right time, it grows into a strong tree. But if ignored, it withers. Life works the same way. The effort you put in today determines your success tomorrow. Avoid distractions that steal your precious hours. Focus on your goals, improve your skills, and invest your time in things that matter. Time is life itself. Wasting time is wasting life. Use time wisely, and you will create opportunities, achieve your dreams, and live a life full of meaning. Respect every second, act today, and make every moment count. Remember, the best time to start is now. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Create it by using your time wisely. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and always use your time wisely. Subscribe to the channel